Last week dollar was up. Basically you can say bullish dollar last week. Still saying this is counter trend correction. And 102 is big support level. And question is how high this counter trend correction will go. After last week NAP, recession is replaced by soft landing and most of the rate cut are priced out. And how high this correction will go, we will decide after new SEP. And if you see intraday H4 time frame, then you can see wave WX, wave Y 261% projection with ending diagonal, and this was your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Almost all step complete, testing neckline. If it break out, then next trade is retest, and this area near 105 will be next resistance. So bullish above 102 and neckline big resistance. On FOMC, Fed will be hawkish, so breakout of neckline is possible. Now you know where dollar will go this week, and now you can say why Euro USD is bearish. And still this can be your possible head and shoulder chart pattern, sideway range, big resistance 1.1 and big support 0.5. So more dollar bullish this week, more down Euro USD. Same with GBPUSD. Like I said, 1.27 is big resistance, double top, neckline breakout, small retest and new lower low. You can see wave Y exactly 38% projection, double top, and because of strong dollar it is going down. So if neckline retest again, that's mean 126 make counter trend correction, you can sell again this week. That is before FOMC meeting. But how low GBPUSD will go after FOMC meeting, it depends on SEP. And you know direction of dollar depends on three big currency. But most of the time it depends on Euro and JPY. And before NAP news, BOJ was super hawkish, their currency become super strong, that's why dollar was bearish. But now 147 horizontal support clearly broken and strong trend line also broken. If you watch closely, it is there 44 level. It tried, but you can see strong rejection below 44 level. So trendline breakout and retest of 44 level. And this week dollar will be bullish. So after breakout retest of trendline, that's mean 147 horizontal resistance is possible. If you watch this USD JPY chart closely and compare these two currency, two central bank, then previously Fed was doing QT, BOJ was doing QE. Now slowly monetary policy of these two central bank will change. Fed will go towards QE, BOJ will go towards QT. So that bullish trend will reverse into bearish trend. And this can be measured double top. And if that happen, then 128 big support level, and after counter trend correction retracement 147 level, more people will sell again, and this time they will target 135 level. So this was first impulsive wave. After correction, when first lower low will come, then entire crowd will start selling. But these two are major support level and double top big technical setup. And because of monetary policy difference in upcoming time, this pair can go down. And 147 is first big resistance level. As long as price trading below 147, there is a possibility that this is your double top. And now if you see silver daily time frame, you can see all candlesticks were red, and this is vertical line. And since this is a big daily time frame, so psychology must be minus infinity. And I gave warning last week before this vertical drop began, don't fight Fed. And if you have bought at $25, nothing can help you, because static horizontal support 23.5 that also broken. And I am again bearish on precious metal and bullish dollar until FOMC meeting. Maybe it can go down more, and if that happen, last and big horizontal support level 22.24, this is your last support. So last week price action was very dangerous in gold and silver both, but right now silver is more oversold compared to gold. Oil clear 135 impulsive wave, parallel channel, it is testing lower and upper trend line. Major support 64. Until price goes there, OPEC will not do major change. First week resistance 74. Until this level breakout, you cannot say trend reversal, because we still do not have clear information what happened in that US-China meeting and what is happening again in that Putin and MBS meeting. And this was your recession trade. It ends on Friday on NFP. Now soft landing is happening. So maybe oil can retest 74 in upcoming time very easily. Now it has been 1 year, Bitcoin is still flying, but last 365 days, gold has collapsed 2 times. During this sideways range, gold almost retested 1800 2 times, but Bitcoin was sideways. And last week you saw Bitcoin going up, gold going down. Same like November 2022, and this happened again. So this is your new rule. Gold and Bitcoin goes in opposite direction. Maybe Bitcoin value is measured against gold, not the dollar. Because in last 30 years, dollar almost replaced gold. And now it is Bitcoin. If it works, then it can replace gold. So your new rule, and your first AVC wave, then wave W, flat AVC correction, wave X. Now we are in final wave Y. Last week 100% projection breakout. So next target is 38% projection, 46,418. This is your next big resistance. And if you use few retracement tool top to bottom for this last bearish trend, the next target is 61% retracement at 48. So daily time frame giving 46, weekly is giving 48. 46 is from downside, 48 is from upside. But this is your last resistance. After that, Bitcoin will turn into bubble, extremely overbought, and big counter trend correction can go back to 32k. This is your only big support level. If it goes there, you will buy again. But between 46 and 48, do not buy. This is profit taking zone. And for selling entry, we will think about if a daily or weekly time frame target hit or not. And other currency like GBPUSD also updated in Telegram last week. This white trend line is strong dynamic support level. It is showing rejection and going up again. But because of big BOJ monetary policy signal, all JPY pair were going down. So let's see if this is counter trend correction or not. If GBPUSD keep going down and BOJ give hawkish signal, then this pair will go down. And after retracement, this trend line will break out. And if that happen, we will sell during breakout and after breakout when this trend line will retest. But first, next big support will be 172. Similarly, if you see CAD JPY daily time frame, this big horizontal support level breakout in fourth attempt near 108 and now tested again third time 104 support level. So after breakout, it is making counter trend correction and it will retest 108 level. This is your technical selling entry. If it shows some sign of rejection on H1 or H4, then next target will be 104 and this level will also break out and next will be 100. So you have clear horizontal support and resistance. If you ignore all the news and just follow technical, then you can easily trade this pair. Same with USDCAD daily time frame. Price is still trading between horizontal support and resistance, but same like CAD JPY, you have crystal clear horizontal support and resistance. Either it goes up and down. All you have to follow is just one rule: buy at support, sell at resistance. Now SP 500 daily chart. Price testing big horizontal resistance. This is the last resistance. If this level break out, then next will be 5000, retest of all time high. But this wave since beginning is extremely aggressive because this is final wave. So correction can be before breakout or after breakout. But for SP 500 to go from 4600 to 5000, you need more economic indicator which support soft landing, not recession. If CPI goes down again this week, then strong NFP, big CPI is soft landing formula and it can easily break out.